Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the fourth puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on a Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, July the 16th, 2022. And in this edition, I have already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 stars, and the binary. And now it's time for the tectonic. Yes, tectonic with 4 stars. Tectonic with 4 stars. Let me position the camera. Come on. Zoom out. Up. Yes. Okay. Tomorrow on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I will do 3 puzzles. The Sudoku with 2 stars and the Tectonic with 1 star. Well, we have also a letter Sudoku, but I've dropped this and I will make the Samurai Sudoku. Although the Samurai Sudoku I need more than maybe 1 hour, maybe 2 hours. It depends. But the letter Sudoku, my experience is I cannot solve I one time an unsolved letter Sudoku because the publisher published the using letters sometimes the same letters, and then it will be difficult. You will have more solution, and then will be difficult. Yes. All right, let me continue. Cipher block with 4 stars, and this will be number 4864. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. Alright, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Yes, 30 minutes or more. If it's really a 4 stars. But I think this one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one. We will see. So let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here a single box, there a single box. Should be a 1. Dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes here in this puzzle? No. Yeah. Well, we have 1 dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. More dual boxes here. No. Triple boxes here then. Here we have a triple box. The 2 is already filled in. So those 2 boxes should be the 1 or a 3. I do not know in which order. But when you see a triple box, remember, the inside box, the box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. But we already have a 4 in the same area. So this box should be a 5. Okay. Triple box, more triple boxes here. No. Quadra box. I see here a quadra box, there a quadra box. Well, this box, it contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, this box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Here, quadra box. Same. I cannot fill this yet. Need more information. Then, overlooked this triple box. Overlooked. Cannot believe this. The 2 is already filled in, so the 1 and the 3 are left. And I've told you the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. So this box 4 or a 5. Overlook this one, yes. Quadra box 1, 2. Then the next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that and this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? No, only 1. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No, only one. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 3 of them. Maximum of 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, here can be a 1 because we have a double 1 and a double 3 there. So here, if I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The 1's supposed to be here. Okay. Then these 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well. This box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 here. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I think this box can be a 1 because we already have double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 1 there. The 1 supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. Let me mark those. 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, these 2 boxes can be 2, so the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. That means that these 2 boxes can be 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 here, a double 2 there. So if I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. Or if I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Alright. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Then, let me see. Well, I think this box should be a 5. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. So it should be 4 or 5. And this box is connected with that box, 4 or 5. But we already have a 4 there. So it cannot be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Alright. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 2. These two boxes can be 3, so the 3 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 4. The other pair should be the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Well. These two boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Now we have a 4 here. I've marked those two boxes with a 4 earlier. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. Okay. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 here. That means that this box cannot be 1 anymore. In this quarter box, can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. We have a double 1 here. That means that this box can't be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 2. That box should be a 1. These two boxes can be 1. 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this quarter box. For numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. Well, we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 3 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. Let me mark those 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. Okay. Alright. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 5 here, so this box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. Well, we have a double 3 there. That means I cannot place the 3 here. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 5. That box should be a 3. Alright. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the 3 and the 5. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 1 there, and the 1 is supposed to be here. Then this box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. Well, I cannot place the 2 here. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 5, and that box should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 2. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 1 and a 2. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. 1 box left. Wait. No. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So is this reader 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. Almost a 1 star. But I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find him at the channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus. I have also playlists for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, the samurai, aka quintuplet Sudokus. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Saturday. We will meet again tomorrow on a Sunday. Until then, bye bye for now.